Hello. In this video, I will be showing you how to get sorry to burst your bubble badge. Okay, so here's the thing. Simply reflect the bubble that is coming at your back to the player wearing the bubble glove to earn the sorry to burst your bubble badge. So it only means that you need someone or you need a friend in order to play this game. Okay, so to start, to get the bubble glove, invite a friend over. The 250 and Harbinger of Death badges must be unlocked in order to get bubble glove. That's the very first thing. Now, put the reverse glove, which requires 5,500 slaps to unlock on your character, and it really takes time to do that, but you have the 5,500 slaps. And then go to the normal arena when everyone has put on their gloves, you and your friend. Request a friend to utilize the bubble gloves feature. You must utilize the reverse gloves ability after your companion uses the bubble gloves. So your friends will use the bubble gloves and you will use the reverse gloves. And you will go to arena. Suppose that you're fighting with your friend and he or she is using the bubble glove. Okay, so what you're going to do is to simply you see that the flying bubble will be sent directly back towards the person wearing the bubble gloves, thanks to the reverse gloves ability, trapping them rather than you. So, by successfully doing that, the owner of reverse glove can earn the accomplishment sorry to burst your bubble after successfully executing this move. So after unlocking the badge, proceed to the glove hole. There you will read that the potato glove has a code that reads, potatoes don't grow on stands, they grow in soil. When you go back to where the potato glove is supposed to be. So to equip the glove, you must visit the default hand arena. The potato glove location is on the platform's underside. Take note, underside. Look around the platform's corners where you can see it below. You can leap over to the glove and equip it if you have unlocked the Sorry to Burst Your Bubble badge before the stage. So take note, you have to unlock first the Sorry to Burst Your Bubble badge. But since I wasn't able to unlock this badge, as you can see, even if I am very close to that potato, I can't get it. So in short, you have to unlock first the Sorry to Burst Your Bubble badge before the stage by just fighting and doing this match battle with your friend using your reverse glove and your friend using his bubble glove. As easy as that. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.